I started the program 3 years ago, and from that we only had a chicken coop which had 3 chickens in it, and from there we've built a whole facility which has sheep, cattle, goats, fish, turkeys, you name it, we've got it here. We have lots of partnerships here which we work with different breeders, we work with different livestock opportunities, so for kids, they all have an opportunity to work in the ag field.
He's just a really fun teacher. We get so many experiences down at the ag block. I'm really passionate about leading cows. It's something new to me, but it's really fun. I love doing it.
He's been a pivotal part of joining the Penola community. He was pivotal in terms of the town winning the Ag Town of the Year. The judges actually said the school piece is what really helped the town get across the line because of his connections within the local agricultural industry and how we work with them.
So we tailor-make every class to what the kids love. The kids are the driving force of the program. Over the next couple of years, we hope to grow the technology in the field, which allows the kids to grow with the technology around us.